Good morning students, this is Parvez Khan. Now we will discuss in this video direct and indirect objects. Okay, hope you are ready to listen this. Okay. Now firstly we will see the definition. What is direct object? So this is the definition. As we already know, the object of a sentence is someone or something that is affected by the subject of the sentence. For example, Nikhil learns karate. Okay, so in the red color, this word is object. Okay, I want to tell again, we are talking or we are discussing about direct object. Okay, the object of the sentence above is karate. The object of a sentence can be a noun, a pronoun, a phrase, or a clause. There are three examples by which you can easily understand. Nikhil teaches a class of 40. Nikhil wonders how he will manage without help. So in the first sentence, there is a pronoun, and in the second, there is a phrase, and in the third, it is clause. How he will manage without help. Okay? The next is, there are two types of objects, direct and indirect objects. The direct object usually follows the verb and receives the action directly. We can identify the direct object by asking the question who or what right after the verb. See the examples. Water the plants. I would love some biryani. He has written a biography of Dhoni. Does he like dosa? By these examples, you can easily understand the direct object. Okay? So, read this note. Only action verbs have direct objects. Being verbs are followed by complements. Okay? So what is complement? Being verbs followed by complements. She is busy with her exam. They are annoyed by the disturbance. The red color words are complements. These are not objects. Okay? Dear students, on the basis of above examples, we will do this exercise. Exercise A. Underline the subject, double underline the verb, and circle the object in the following sentences. There are three things. Underline the subject, double underline the verb, and circle the object. Okay? So you will underline the subject, then double underline the verb, and circle the object. So first has been done for you. The dog, single underline because it is subject. Guard, it is verb, double underlined. The house,